What's going on, guys? I'm back with another video, and this video will be my first ever calculator trick, okay? So I know I've made a lot of videos with me doing tricks by marker or by pencil, and those tricks work, right? You guys should watch those videos, check out my math playlist, and watch all those tricks before you take the exam, way before you take the exam, so you can practice them, you can rehearse them, you can learn them, and you can use them and apply them effectively straight off the dome. I don't want you guys to, be looking through your notes or whatever the day of the exam just to remember the tricks. You have to practice them enough to know on the day of the exam. With this video, a lot of you guys be struggling with how to use a calculator fast. You have to understand, on the calculator section now, you don't need to use a calculator for a lot of problems. Okay, a lot of problems you can do by hand. And if you know the tricks, you can apply the same non-calculator tricks to the calculator section. But in this case, when you see a problem like this, that's when you know a calculator is needed. And I'm gonna help you guys, get straight with this, because you guys are, sometimes really slow with how to use a calculator, and I can't let you guys be slow like that. I need you guys to be fast and accurate. So this is how you're gonna do it. If I give you guys these two equations, right, and I tell you, find at what price, say x is y is total cost. Y is total cost. And I say x represents price of product. Okay. At what price? You can say this is the cost of RV SAT math notes, like the method, the function. So I guess it's always increasing, which is not, guys. And the cost of Discord. So I say, at what price is the cost of the math notes equal to the cost of the Discord? At what price? And by the way, guys, both are $15. They're both worth it. So what cost? And how would I do this? Obviously, guys, you see two equations, two linear intercept form equations. You already know you're gonna have to graph these. You're gonna have to find the intersect, because that's the fastest way to find the x value, which both y's equal the same. So how will you do this, guys? All right. So start off, you always want to do second plus 7, 1, 2. And I have a TI-84, guys, by the way. If you want to get one, look in the description. And real quick, boom, this is super fast. All right, guys. You go on y equals 3.55 x plus 2.18. Now you move down one. Where'd you go? Okay, 4.60x plus 1.21. Then you graph. You see whatever, see the graph, wait for the graphs to form. Graphs made. All right, second calc. Press 5. What the fuck? Now once the graph, you do second calc 5. Intersect, first curve, second curve, guess. And there you go, you find the intersection. So at the price of 92 or 0.92 cents, right? That's when the cost of RU SAT math notes and cost of Discord are equivalent to each other. And again, I'll go slowly. You go y equals, you put in the two functions, you press graph, then it'll graph it. Right now it's already graphed, so it's not showing that. You graph it, then you do second calc 5. 5 is intersect. You see right here. You can scroll down, guys, but if you memorize this by hand or by your mind, then it'll be much easier. Press enter once, press enter again, and then you press guess. And there you go. That's all you got to do. Nice and easy, guys. Learn how to use a calculator. Learn how to use or how to perform certain operations right out of the dome. Or you got to memorize this. I can do second calc 5 in my sleep and know that second calc 5 is intersect. So I can do, both hands super fast. So I want you guys to pay attention to that, practice that, watch this video as many times as you need to. Do some example problems with using this trick. Please like the video, please share, please subscribe. Peace.